I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just blew on my hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I was trying to make it
Hey y'all, it's Kay, of course. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. The wig featured in this video is by Asteria hair. If you are interested, make sure you check below for links and details just in case you missed anything throughout this video. So let's get started on the wig construction. Now it does come with two combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. They sent me over their 13x4 HD lace front wig. It is a body wave texture, but I already went in and washed the wig because I went in and bleached the knots. The knots did not come bleached, but the hairline did come pre-plucked. Moving on to the site, you guys. So if you go onto the site and try to order this wig, these are the details of my wig. So it is a 13x4, 24 inches and 200% density. Here's the price point. $361 is what you will be paying for this particular wig. And of course, this all depends on the length and the density and how much lace space you want. Of course, when you have a lesser density, it's cheaper. When you have less lace, it's cheaper. And when you have shorter lengths, it's cheaper. So just keep that in mind. Moving on. So right here, I'm just showing you what the wig looks like with the lace still on and how the hairline is hidden, which I feel like the pre-pluck on here is pretty good. I don't feel like you need to go in and pluck anymore. You don't want it to be over plucked. So I'm going to keep it how it is. But y'all see the thickness is thick. So even if you wanted to add curls, baby. Now I don't know if y'all just peeped that, but them ear tabs was tabbing, okay? They was hanging over my ear, and usually this is nothing new to me, y'all, because my head is extra small. You know, most of the time I have to go in and cut off the excess lace on the sides so they won't go over my ear, which sometimes I hate because I do eventually end up selling my wigs, and you know, everybody don't got this peanut head. But I did have to go in and, you know, cut the lace so it can fit my head properly. Honestly, I think this wig just comes with a lot of lace on the sides. So if your head is a normal size, I still think you're going to be cutting lace, to be quite honest. Now, if your head is bigger, I don't know, maybe you'll fit it, but for sure, I still think if your head is normal size, you're going to be cutting that lace off. I'll be going in with my Got To Be Glue freeze spray to adhere my lace. I don't really care for this stuff no more. I've come across a lot of what is it called, wig adhesives, and my favorite one has to be by Wig Dealer. I love that stuff. The only downfall is it doesn't come in a big can unless I'm just sleeping under a rock and have not noticed that it comes in a bigger can. But when I had that stuff, like, I use it, and it's not really cheap. So I feel like it should come in a bigger can, honestly. What y'all think? I mean, Got To Be Glue, it gets the job done. I just don't like that residue that it leaves behind. And when I tell you that Wig Dealer wig adhesive, it don't have my front of my, you know, wig all white after it dries. I don't know. But I mean, this will suffice. And let me just speak on the quality of this hair. When they say 200% density, believe it, because this wig is nice and full. And mind you, I did go in and wash this wig because I bleached the knots. I didn't really get a lot of shedding. I did get shedding, but it was very minimal. And even when I went in and straightened this hair, because I did wear it straight for a moment, it was nice, y'all. Hold up, let me insert a clip so y'all can really get into it.
to see my heart turn crystal.
Oh, I know I just gave somebody CPR with that clip. But anyway, right here I'm using Shea Sleek. Yeah, Shea Sleek. This is a holding spray, y'all. I'm using it before I go in and curl the hair. And y'all see, doing too much. I just sprayed my whole face. But I'm going to spray this all over the hair before I actually go in. And right here, I'm using my Hot Tool curling one. Well, it's not a curling one. It's a burrow curler. I don't actually know what size this is. I did have this for a while now. But I will tell you, these things get super, super hot. Super hot. So as you can see right here, I'm kind of like warm curling the hair. But after I did the second one, I was like, I'm just going to curl it the regular way because it wasn't as tight as I wanted it to be. Now, if you want them stackable, voluminous curls, then I will suggest going in and cutting layers into the hair, which is actually a good thing because the hair is so thick that you won't be losing hair. You know how some hair is not cuttable and it's like thin, so when you go in to cut layers in it, you like lost most of the hair and it just don't fall right. Not this wig. This wig is giving thick, y'all. The only issue I had with this wig was it being too big. And y'all saw how the lace came way over my ears, but that wasn't even my main concern. Because of course that was an easy fix. All I had to do was, cut off the lace. But the cap itself, I don't actually know what size cap this is. I think it's like a normal cap size. But this thing was big to the point where I had to go in and add bobby pins in the back just to secure it because it was so humpy, y'all. So yeah, it's a big cap. But I think I talked enough. So I'm going to let this video play out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you are interested in this wig, check below in my description box for links. And if I have any coupon codes to share with you guys, I'll definitely make sure I leave them in my description box as well. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think.
What you do.